We set up iPhone 12 layout on CCAD software for scanning phones on a laser machine. After that, click on the red light button. Now, place the phone on a laser machine. Check phone positioning physically with the help of red laser induction. Now click the mark button to start the final laser induction for glass removal. After finishing this process, now it's time to remove broken glass from the phone body. It is a quite risky process for beginners. Be careful during this operation. In the camera area, use professional tools for removing glasses. Must be careful about dents on the camera lenses. After finishing the glass removal process, now properly clean the phone back shield surface. Now clean the back glass. Now apply paste, for proper attachment of new glass and phone body. Do not apply too much or too low a paste on the surface. Apply all the area including all the edges. Now properly attach the new glass with the phone body. For better attachment, use a clip of the phone body. Now, we all done. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. If you want to share your opinion, comment on comment section.